Today I am going to deal the heart and the hottest patient of the materia medica, that is IODIUM. To remember, the leading indication of IODIUM is known by the 5H. Number 1, hot patient. Number 2, hunger of the patient. Number 3, heart complaint of the patient. Number 4, hypertrophy of the all glands. And number 5, hardness of the goiter. So here I am going to describe one by one. Number 1 is hot patient. This is not only hot patient, the hottest patient of the materia medica. Patient feels more hot. Always comes sensation of heat. He want to bath in cold. Want face and body cooled by cold sponges. The patient is warm-blooded and want to live in the cold places. Next is hunger. There is ravenous hunger in IODIUM. He is always feels hungry. He eats between the meal and yet feels hungry. Complaints are better by eating. All the fears, anxiety, and distress of the IODIUM increase when the patient lives hungry. There is pain in the stomach when the stomach is empty. While eating, he feels better. The complaint get relief. He relieve whole complaint by eating. Next is heart complaint. In case of IODIUM, there is enlargement of the heart and with the sensation as if the heart was squeezed together. Next is the hypertrophy of the all glands. There is enlargement of the liver, of the spleen, ovaries, lymphatic glands, cervical glands, except the mammary glands and the testicle. The mammary is dwindled while the other glands become enlarged, thyroid enlarged, prostate enlarged, all gland enlarged in IODIUM patient. Next is hardness of the goiter. There is hardness of the goiter in the dark-haired persons. Emulation after eating. Act best in the goiter when given after the full moon or the moon is waning, according to Dr. Lippi. The mental symptoms is also very peculiar in case of IODIUM. There is peculiar anxiety, both mind and the body. This anxiety comes when the patient keep still. More he keep still, more the anxiety increase. That time comes impulse to tear the things, to kill himself, to commit murder. So patient cannot keep still, always want to move here and there. Also in night, they want to move here and there. There is controversy that headache aggravation from the motion, but the patient get relief from the motion. Patient moves because his anxiety relieved by motion. But every motion increase the headache. Any of the complaint of the IODIUM will increase after fasting. IODIUM is especially suited when the testicle have dwindled or the mammae is also dwindled. All discharge from the nose, eyes, ear, vaginal discharge, all are acrid in nature. Leukorrhea is also excoriating nature. Many gouty patients want to live in the warm room because the patient get relief in the gout complaint. But IODIUM patient does not like to live in the warm room because his gout complaint aggravates. In that condition, when the patient is suffering from the rheumatic complaint or the gout complaint, patient want to live in the cool place. A spleen is enlarged after the intermittent fever. There is indication of IODIUM in case of uterine cancer. The only indication is severe bleeding and aggravation by the fasting. Complete loss of sexual power is a prominent symptom of the IODIUM. You must take precaution when you are going to prescribe the IODIUM. The precaution is the IODIUM should never be given during the lying in period except high potency. Next, more the emaciation, the stronger the indication of the IODIUM. And one very uncommon symptoms of the IODIUM. Generally we think if a patient is suffering from the constipation, you give a cup of warm milk, the patient get relief, the constipation. But in case of IODIUM, when the patient is suffering from the constipation, patient get relief by drinking the cold milk. So this is the uncommon feature of the IODIUM in case of constipation. IODIUM is very important medicine. You can prescribe in the marasmus, you can prescribe in the dwindle of the mammary gland, dwindle of the testicle, enlargement of the any glands. The patient is suffering from the fasting, gait aggravates all complaint. In these symptoms, you can prescribe IODIUM. IODIUM will help you to get relief. A very difficult case that is called the incurable case, that is cured by the IODIUM. So take the help of IODIUM by the read of the materia medica and you can prescribe IODIUM by the totality of the symptoms. You can success in every case that is prescribed according to the totality of the symptom. Thanks.